Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen and this is Jen's Happy Home, and today I am really excited to share with you guys another Halloween house tour. I did a Halloween house tour last year and a lot of you guys requested that I do it once again, and since it does change a little bit from year to year, I thought it would be fun to share with you another Halloween house tour. I do have a few new items and I did move things around a little bit this year, so I really hope that you will enjoy my tour, and let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start here in the entryway, and so here is our front door, and I just have some little bells on there, little Halloween bells, and then I have my scarecrow who sits on this little table over here. There is my candy bowl that I use every year. I have these busts that I bought at Michael's craft store a while back, and then some other little accent pieces from the dollar store. And then here are my stairs, and I just have this scarecrow that I got a long time ago from Avon, and I just wrote boo on the little chalkboard. And if you guys have been following my Vlogtober, this is where I put all of my old plastic jack-o'-lantern trick-or-treat buckets. Here is our old antique organ, and then we just have some Halloween props on there. I also have a couple more items that I purchased at Spirit Halloween. This sign was from Spirit Halloween, and I think that these skulls were actually used as my costume contest trophies last year, and I had some extra, and they were purchased at Michael's. And then I just have some old trophies from years past. And this pumpkin was from my $5 Goodwill challenge. I think he looks really cute on top of this old record player. I think these light up owls from the Dollar Tree are really cool. Fun accent pieces for the house for just $1. And now headed into our living room. This is the mantle that I decorated with just some sparkly garland from the Dollar Tree and some little knickknacks and signs that I've collected over the years. Some of the things that I have had for a very long time. And I have these fun guys that my children received as a Halloween gift from Home Depot a while back, and they all sing and dance and play music. And then the dining room, which is one of my favorite rooms to decorate for Halloween. let's take a look around the kitchen. Here I just have one of my favorite Yankee candles burning, and I just have it in this tray surrounded by pumpkins. And I have a big sparkly spider here covering the clock that doesn't really work anyway, so thought that looked pretty cool. And then here's our downstairs bathroom, which has kind of like a witch theme. And this is the door that leads into our kitchen from the mudroom. And it's just this hanging witch that I purchased a really, really long time ago. Okay, so now we're going to head upstairs. I have this vampire, just this cardboard cutout that I purchased at the Dollar Tree a couple of years ago. And another little sign from the Dollar Tree. And over here I have these ceramic skulls that I purchased on clearance. I believe it was at JCPenney's actually. And as we're headed upstairs, I have this black cat. And then over here I have all of my pretend spell books that I purchased at the Dollar Tree this year. And then I have these two black Pirates of the Caribbean themed jack-o'-lanterns that light up. I got those on Amazon last Halloween. And of course I have my Coraline doll out, since that is our Halloween themed costumes this year. And finally, I'm going to end the tour here in our second floor bathroom. I have my Mickey Mouse ceramic jack-o'-lantern that I received from a Mickey monthly box last year. And then I just have my Happy Halloween hand towel, which I believe was from Kohl's. I picked up some of the Mrs. Meyer pumpkin scent hand soap. And then I just have a couple of little things over here. I believe the skull was from Yankee Candle. And finally, my little like gel clings that I purchased from Spirit Halloween this year that say it's just a bunch of hocus pocus. And there's Binks the cat at the bottom. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed coming along with me today and touring my house and seeing how I decorate for Halloween. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to go ahead and follow me at Jen's Happy Home on Instagram. I hope you all have a great Halloween. Take care. Bye.